Gentlemen, welcome to my training session during which 1000 PMP questions are being discussed. Now, starting with question number 6. I will read the question and the options, then we will discuss. A team is ready to start working on a project with a customer who was very difficult to work with in the past because the customer was unable to describe exactly what they wanted. What approach should the project manager take to remove this impediment? Now, see, sorry, the problem is that the customer was unable to describe what he wanted. Probably there were some problems regarding the understanding of the scope of the project, due to which there were some problems. Now, this time the project manager must ensure that the scope of the project is understood because there were difficulties in the past. Now, let us see the options. We'll discuss A later. Start with B. B is work with the project owner to define the minimum viable project. You see, this option B will not help to solve the issue. The issue is that the scope is not known. The customer is unable to describe the scope. Unless the scope is known, the project owner will be unable to define the minimum viable project. C. Reinforce the negotiation and soft skills of the team through training. C addresses the issue if there were problems regarding the soft skills of the team. There were no issues regarding the soft skills of the team. The team is trained and there were no issues regarding this point in the last project. Delta. D. Develop and monitor plan with due dates to reduce the time of completing the project. Unless the scope is known, the team cannot make a plan and complete the project according to the schedule. So A. Follow a predictive approach in order to obtain formal acceptance of each deliverable. You see, in a predictive approach, all the plans, all the information is decided in the beginning before the project is started. The project manager, the team, and the customer interact to define the scope. This is the difference between a predictive approach and an adaptive approach. So once the scope is known during the start of the project, the issues will be less during the project. So the best is follow a predictive approach so that you try to understand what is required by the customer, and then once the scope is known, obtain formal acceptance of each deliverable. So the best answer is option A. Thank you.